I'm a Q grader and I keep on tasting coffees and I have a cupping experience of 10 years. These are my coffees and you can see some nice fermentation process, some wine flavored, some regular coffee, South Indian filter coffees and all. These are my collection.
Because in order to balance it out, this coffee has more bitterness of Earl Grey, which is why it is like kind of combination. You will notice.
And it has notes of like fruity notes है काफ़ी ज़्यादा देखिए यहाँ पे गावा रहेगा लीची रहेगा.
My dad has started this business since 1958. Since 1958, we are roasting coffee in Pune. We are one of the oldest coffee roasters, and now my son is the fourth generation entering into coffee.
It's great to meet you all, everyone here at Eka Coffee, and we'd love everyone to come over here, explore the event, how is it, and just enjoy the event. And we hope to see you at our store where we can serve you good coffee.
Brewing NTK white wine coffee, and the method I'm trying to use is Tetsuka Suya. So the reason for doing this method is to extract the sweetness of coffee within the first 40 seconds.
It's a special edition coffee if you guys want, and I'm serving summer drink called coconut water espresso.
This is the first time in India, I think. Nobody has hosted this kind of event where all the home brewers are showcasing their talent. The local coffee community gathered together. Like all the cities must host this kind of events to encourage their home brewers. यहाँ पे जो भी इवेंट हो रहा है ये होम ब्रूअर्स के लिए काफ़ी नेक्स्ट लेवल एक्सपीरियंस है. यहाँ पे मल्टीपल रोस्टर्स अपनी कॉफ़ी शो कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे मल्टीपल होम ब्रूअर्स अपनी अपनी डिफरेंट सिग्नेचर बेवरेज यहाँ पे ब्रू कर रहे हैं यहाँ के होम ब्रूअर्स के लिए और इवन कस्टमर्स के लिए. ये बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है यहाँ पे पुणे के लिए और पुणे कॉफ़ी कम्युनिटी के लिए.
pretty shocked seeing the Pune coffee community combine and join together today at this place, venue. It was a great experience meeting all the homebrewers. Special thanks to Anish for inviting me. And it was a really good time brewing AeroPress for you guys. And I actually had a really good experience.
I think this is one of a kind event that has happened in the coffee community, and Anish and Eka Coffee together have brought out a very nice event with where homebrewers have had the chance to display. Some of my friends are there displaying the different kinds of brews that they make.
This event was all about having the homebrewers showcase what they do, and for the larger audience to understand what homebrewing is all about, what the coffee world is all about. And we had more than 150 people turning up for the homebrewers. The homebrewers didn't stop brewing for 1 minute through the entire event, which was close to 3.5 hours. So that was a phenomenal response for the event, and we are very happy that we could provide this platform for homebrewers to showcase their talent.
I brewed some cold brews today with some fun ingredients added to them. It was an amazing experience. Everyone sold out with all the cold brew that I made, so I'm very happy about that. Then yeah, just love talking to people. Thank you Eka Coffee for doing this. Hoping to do this again sometime.
And today I've participated in this event at Eka Coffee in Baner. So this is a home brewers brew bar showcase where we have set up our own brew bars here, and we bought our own coffees and we started serving people. And I'm glad that people liked it, and my beverage has been voted as the best beverage here today.
I'm a home brewer since last 7-8 years. So I started with my pour over coffees, and after pandemic hit, I explored more mocha pot, South Indian filters, AeroPress. Special drink of the evening was coconut water espresso, which is a summer drink. Thanks Eka Coffee, thanks Homemade Barista. Everyone was awesome, and the crowd that we pulled in was amazing.
I had a very successful event today, and the tiramisu ice latte was the most sold one. Had a great time, all thanks to Eka and all the organizers, Anish, Atharv and all. So yeah, I loved being here. It was my first experience doing this kind of thing, and this was exceptionally good. And I think I've had more than 60 orders or something like that. Crazy, I mean, loved it.
It was a one-of-a-kind event which happened, I think, for the first time in India, and I was really excited, thrilled, initially little jittery, but now I'm feeling very confident the way the whole event went so far. I'm really thankful to especially the Homemade Barista Anish and Eka Coffee Roaster for giving us this opportunity, and my wonderful wife who has helped me out in the entire process itself.
The Homebrewers Showcase was one of the initial events for us to give a platform to the home brewers to showcase their skill and to showcase their bars. So their equipments which are hidden on their shelves at their homes, to get them and set up their own bars and then serve coffee to everyone. This was such an amazing experience for all of us, the entire coffee community, to come under one roof at Eka Coffee and brew together and have fun together.
I love to set up the brew bars, meet more and more home brewers, which is why the idea of Home Brewers Showcase came up. I saw a lot of people in the coffee community who have a very nice brew bar, but when we meet, they only come up with 1 or 2 equipments and coffee. So I had this idea of getting all of them together to showcase their brew bar and also serve the audience. So probably this was the very first event in India for sure, where the consumer side is actually serving all the crowd over here. Very happy about it.